Hey, future Python Pro, welcome back. In the last video, we explored variable names and data types. And today, get ready to meet the most talkative data type in Python, that is string. Yes, strings are basically text, words, sentences, even emojis. Let me write down it. Yes, strings. Strings are text, words, sentences, yes, even emojis. Okay, anything you wrap inside quotes becomes a strings. Simple. What are strings? Strings are basically text, which includes words, sentences, even emojis if you want. Anything you wrap inside quotes becomes a string. Simple. Let's take an example. Name. Okay. CS. Unlocked. And language. Sorry. Language. Python. Yes. Python. Print. If I want to print name, and now print language. Okay. Yes. So here we are taking name as CS unlocked and language Python, and we will see if we can print these text or not. Let's see. Oh, great. Let's see. CS unlocked and Python is printed. You can use either single quotes or double quotes. Both are valid. Let's check with single quotes. Let me do this. Okay. And let's see. See, perfect. Great. It is printed. But you gotta remember this. But you gotta be consistent. Don't open with single quotes and close with double quotes, or Python will throw a fit. Let's do that too. Yes, it's showing syntax error. Unterminated string literal. Okay, detected line number 6. So we have to stay consistent related to syntax. Yes, we don't have to open with single quotes and close with double quotes. Okay, or we have to stay consistent. Now what if you want to use quotes inside a quotes? Let's see. Quotes inside a quotes. Let's take quote CS unlocked set, comma, and again Python is fun. What do you think? What will happen here? Let's write it professionally. Print quote. What do you think? What will be the output? Let's see. See, a syntax error is there. Can you detect why? Because see, we have used double quote multiple times. But for quotes inside a quotes, we have to write it down like this. Then let's see. Yes, CS unlocked said Python is fun. It is running. Perfect. Now what you have seen here, that we don't have to use single quote multiple times or double quotes multiple times when we are using a quote inside a quote. We have to use one single quote and one for double quote. Okay. Clear? And if you start with single quotes, then you have Remember this, always remember this. If you are starting with single quotes, then you can use double quotes inside it too. Let me show you example again. Quote 2, उसके बाद let me take the example. He replied, yes, totally. Let's close this and print quote 2. See, it is running. Perfect. Got it? So simple, right? Now let's talk about multi-line string. Sometimes you want to store big paragraph or even ASCII value. For that, use triple quotes. Okay? Example, if we let's take paragraph. We are taking 3 quotes. This is line 1. Okay. This is line 2. Okay. This is line 3. Print paragraph. Now let's see what will be the output. We have to print multi-line string, and for that we have to use triple quotes. Or if we are if we want to store ASCII art, then also we can use these triple quotes. For multi-line we have to use triple quotes. Triple quotes allow you to write as much as you want, no backslashes, no mess, simple. If you are writing novel in Python, this is your best friend. Now let's play with string concatenation. Fancy word, simple meaning. It means joining string together. Okay, let me write down string concatenation. Let's take the first example. First, Python. Second, rocks. And let's see, print first plus, let's give the space in between, plus second. We are concatenating, we are joining Python rocks. The output should be written as simple Python rocks. Let's see. Yes, see, the output clearly says Python rocks. This is why this is known as concatenation. The plus sign joins two strings, and if you add a space in between, they look perfect. If we don't add the space in between, it will look like this. Without a space, Python rocks. Such a mess. Let's add a space in between. Sorry, I didn't give the space. Yes, Python rocks. But remember, you can't mix string with numbers directly. Let me show you the example. Let's take age 21 and print I am okay. Let me plus age, oh sorry, spelling age plus years old. Let's see what Python is saying here. A Type error can only concatenate string to string, not string to int. We cannot concatenate string with int directly. Remember this, we cannot mix strings with numbers directly. Python is like, here, dude, how do I add text with number? You will learn how to fix this using typecasting soon. Before we end, here's a quick bonus. You can multiply strings too, like this. Print ha multiply 3. Let's see. The output is ha 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 ha. 3 times. Python's sense of humor, it prints ha ha ha. So let's recap for today. Strings are text inside quotes. You can use single, double, or triple quotes. Use plus sign to join and multiply sign to repeat strings. In the next video, that will be part 2 of this, we will go deeper into string, method and formatting, uppercase, lowercase, slicing and so much more fun. So practice some fun print statements, maybe makes your name print 5 times. And I will see you in the next video, same code time, same Python energy. Thank you.